Going on YouTube? 603 Mechanic Vids, back with another how-to video. Today we're going to be changing the map sensor on a Jeep Renegade. This is the 2.4 liter. The reason I'm changing the map sensor today is I threw the code P2172, which is pretty much saying there's a large amount of air being detected by the ECU that's not supposed to be there. So it could be a vacuum leak or a faulty map sensor, which that's what I believe is the problem. We're gonna find out. I've already tested for vacuum leaks, couldn't find any issues. When you do that, you want to check all your vacuum lines around your throttle body. You know, it could be the gasket around your throttle body, could be your EGR valve, your PCV valve. There's multiple things it could be. Sometimes finding a vacuum leak is not the easiest thing to do. So the first thing you're going to want to do is jack your Jeep up. Then we're going to want to crawl underneath. And you can see right here, this is your map sensor, which is on the side of your intake manifold. So we move this harness out of the way. You see you got this connector right here. There's a little tab. You push down, you can pull the connector off the map sensor. Then to remove the map sensor, you're going to want to turn it up and pull it right out. You can buy a new map sensor at your local parts store. I got this one from Advanced Auto. It cost me about $33. This is what it looks like, the new one. And to put the new map sensor in, what you're gonna do, stick it in the hole with it vertically like that, and then rotate it down. You get your connector put on. Make sure you squeeze it really good until you hear it clip on. Just double check, make sure it's tight, make sure the connector's not going to fall off. And that completes this map sensor replacement. It's a pretty easy job. You just got to crawl underneath the Jeep. So changing the map sensor did fix the issue. I didn't put it in the video before, but on this chart here, we were getting readings all the way up to 75 inches of mercury, which is not correct. So I definitely had a faulty map sensor. And as you can see, we're running between 8.3 inches of mercury. So everything's all good to go. Hopefully this helps some of you guys out. And if it does, give the video a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And if you're not already subscribed, consider subscribing to my channel. I appreciate every single one of you. And I will see you guys in another video.